Alright, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're at Osaka Station and I'm not sure what to do today. I just got off work. It's Saturday evening. It's about 5 o'clock and I have no plans, so I'm just gonna freestyle it today and try to show you guys as much cool things as possible. So we're on our way. Look at how beautiful that sunset is. Let me see if I can get a little bit higher. It's a big station. So things I wanted to do today was I wanted to go to another grocery store, and also they're having Christmas stuff. That's what I want to do. They're having Christmas stuff around here, so I wanted to show you guys around here. I want to get a drink first because I haven't really eaten all day, so I'm gonna see how festive things are here. Maybe get a drink first. But yeah, I want to see the Christmas stuff, and I want to go to another grocery store that's by here, and then, you know, just make it quick and go home. So I've been working all day. I normally don't work on Saturdays, but today was a special Christmas event and I had to dress up as a reindeer, which wasn't too bad. So we're gonna go to the basement floor of the station, and then we're gonna get a drink. Alright, so I also want to check out Goo because I heard they're having a big like winter sale. They're always connected to like a Uniqlo. I don't think they have Goo back home in the States, but I know you guys have Uniqlo back home. Check it out. I'm looking for really cheap stuff here. It's a women's section. Alright, so they got some of these jackets for like 30 bucks, which is not that bad actually. Just a cheap jacket you can wear to work. Yeah, there's just the same jackets. Alright, so I found this like jacket for 3,000, which is like 30 bucks. Not too bad actually. The quality is not like amazing, but it's the last one that they have, so I'm considering buying this. It's an extra large. If you ever shop in in Japan, and you're a large back home, you're probably an extra large in Japan. You gotta go one size up. Alright, so I didn't get it because it was just way too big, but I'm looking for like fruit juices, and I'm not sure if they have them down here, but they might. Let's see. So usually I fast every day, and today I fasted a little bit longer because I was busy at work. But oh, this is matcha. Okay, they might have some over here. Look at that cake. They got bubble tea. It's a juicery. Oh, they might have drinks here. Okay. Alright, perfect. I found something here. I might get an avocado. You got triple berry? Triple berry smoothie, tropical mix, avocado, fresh green orange juice, avocado strawberry smoothie, strawberry smoothie. Okay, look at how small this thing is. I'm sure it's fresh, but this was like $5.60, so $5.60. So about like $5. But I haven't eaten anything, and I don't want to really look around some more, so I'm gonna just try this. It's pretty good. I wish it was just like 5 times bigger. Alright, so after I finish this, I'm gonna look for another fruit place where they have like this kind of drink. I was gonna have dinner here, but it's already late, so I just want to make some videos real quick and then go home as fast as I can. So that's where I bought the smoothie from. It's like a parfait place. They have like parfaits and stuff. And then this little area is for like hanging out. There's a lot of people out here talking and chatting and drinking stuff. And that's where we came down from. So check out this burger and cafe Hawaii. Those look really good. You probably could have a Cobb salad, but no. Sure if anybody can just play the piano, but it seems like just some random kid playing the piano. She was really good though. Should we go this way? We'll go this way. So the grand front is like a big mall, and they're having like a big Christmas spectacle light stuff going on. So let's just go that way. We've never been this way, so we'll check it out. And then there's some more lights upstairs as well. Alright, they got a directory over here. Whoa, what is this? Like a bread shop. Oh, okay. That's cool. Oh, you can go inside. It's the Jonnykimchee cellar. Might as well go inside. That's cool. Oh, I've never noticed this place. The Japanese udon place. Oh man, should I just eat here? I might just eat here. I mean, it's right here. Yeah, I might have to eat here. Alright, so this place is called Mango Tree Kitchen. They have all sorts of stuff here. I thought maybe I can just eat real quick while I'm out here. They got all sorts of stuff. They got like these combos. You can get chicken, fried chicken, basil chicken, boiled chicken, and curry for about 1,400. That's which is not a bad price. They have beer. They got curry. They got everything here. And then they have all these like spices here. I think that's like ginger. They got some chili, some soy sauce or something, some kind of oil. Alright, so the food just came out. I wish it was a little bit bigger. I wish I could pay extra to get more food, but I guess here you just gotta get a little bit of everything. But this is the sauce. So it's ginger sauce, the Thai soy sauce. Almost got that. So good thing I know that there's the sign. I like ginger, so I'm gonna just throw in a lot of it. Oh. This is really good with the chicken. Alright, so there's like a window in front of me and there's like people on the other side and they're just like looking at me, so alright. Try some of this chicken here. That tastes really good. They also have like this, they have the Thai rice. And a lot of places, they won't even have like the authentic rice in the restaurant. And they also have like coriander, the cilantro. This is really good. I think I'm gonna be back here again. I'm a return customer. And with the sauce is really good. Not a lot of places give out like this type of sauce for free. Because like ginger and this kind of stuff, these ingredients are kind of expensive. So like coriander, ginger, you're not gonna just like give it out for free. But it's really good. Good quality, fresh. It was $8.90. So I could probably eat like 2 of these right now. I actually could eat like 3 of these right now. So you get less for what you pay for, but I wouldn't say less, but it's the exact amount. But I would pay a little bit more to get more. Alright, so I just finished up in like 5 minutes. I used like half of the ginger. I mean, when they have this kind of ginger, I love ginger. It's so good for you. I'm just losing money just giving out free ginger. But this was really delicious. I'll probably be back here again. Let's get out of here.